In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to reorder files by last opened in Google Drive. First, open your web browser and head to google.com. Make sure you're signed in to the Google account that holds the files you want to organize. If you use multiple accounts for work and personal use, it helps to double-check you're in the right one before you continue, so the results match what you expect. At the top right of the Google homepage, click the small grid icon. This is the Google Apps Launcher. From the menu that opens, select Drive. That takes you straight into Google Drive, where you can see your folders and files in My Drive or whatever folder you were last viewing. Now let's change the order to show the items you opened most recently. Look toward the top right of your Files area for the Sort control. Depending on your layout, it may look like an arrow next to the word Sort, or an icon with lines. Click that to open the sorting menu. From the menu, choose Date Opened by Me. The moment you select this, Drive will reorder the current list so the files you've opened most recently rise to the top. This setting is based on your personal activity, so it reflects what you opened, not what collaborators opened. It's perfect when you need to jump back into something you were just working on without digging through folders. A couple of clarifications can make this even smoother. Sorting by date. Open by Me doesn't move files or change folder structure. It only changes how the list is displayed for you. It works the same in both List View and Grid View, so use whichever you prefer. If you want the opposite order, click the Sort control again and adjust the direction if that option appears. Otherwise, simply reselect the sort you need. Also note the difference between Date Opened by Me and Last Modified or Last Modified by Me. Modified looks at edit activity, while Opened tracks when you accessed the file, even if you didn't change it. You can apply this sort inside any folder or shared drive you have access to. If you're viewing a shared item, the Date Opened by Me option still uses your own open history, which keeps the list relevant to you. That's all there is to it. Open Google, launch Drive from the app grid, click the Sort control, and pick Date Opened by Me. With that, your most recently opened files are always right at the top, saving you time and clicks every day.